How to fix Remini app not working problem in iPhone and Android both devices. Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to fix Remini app not working on your iPhone and Android. First of all, you have to tap on your Remini app logo, and here you have to tap on this app info button. After that, here you have to click on storage and cache. Here you can see you have to click on this. After that, here you have to click on this clear storage at the right bottom. When you click on this, now here you go to your mobile phone home screen and you have to open your Play Store. After in the Play Store, you have to search in the search bar Remini app. Now here you have to search in the search bar Remini app, and here you have to update Remini app to the latest version. After updating your Remini app, you have to open your Remini app. Now here you can see Remini app not opening problem has been fixed. In this way you can fix Remini app not opening in your Android and iOS. Thanks for watching this video.